Y'all better stop playing on my live, okay? I'm gonna be on your porch. I'm gonna be on your porch. Keep on playing. Keep on playing. Keep on playing with me. Keep on playing. Keep on playing. Yeah, pop out, rock out. What it do? What it do, y'all? How about it? How about it? And say, y'all, this is another thing for all y'all parents who got these little bad ass little peanut head ass little boys. Y'all need to raise y'all damn kids for real. I know y'all can't have abortion, but shit, if you ain't gonna raise them, don't have them. Period. Cause y'all say y'all gonna let this system take over y'all kids for real. For real, y'all say, man, no cap, man. Man, y'all need to pay attention to y'all damn kids, man. No cap. I don't know how y'all let 3 kids go robbing cars and shit. Armored up, ski mask up. Y'all need to tell y'all kids stop wearing that shit. Hot as hell. It was hot in the bed today. These mother ski masks on, pullovers on. Man, say y'all, real talk. Y'all need to stop that shit. You hear me? For real. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, tell them, my bro. No cap. I'm gonna be on your porch. No cap. But say, bro, y'all need to pay attention to y'all kids. Real shit. That shit pissing me off. No cap, man. And they messing up for the gun guys. You know what I'm talking about? No cap. Cause y'all steady got the little peanut head ass, little bad ass kids running around here with guns and shit, just because they're a certain age and shit. But they ain't got no parents to tell them right from wrong. You dig? It ain't about the damn gun system or age limit and all that shit. You could be 35 and get a gun and do some stupid shit, so age limit don't fucking matter. Y'all need to do for y'all goddamn kids. You hear me? If you ain't gonna be a parent, stop having them motherfuckers. You hear me? Because they fucking up shit, they gonna just overpopulate the damn jail because y'all ain't doing shit for y'all kids. Period. Y'all sad. For real. Can't say shit. Where y'all kids at? Y'all parents are sad nowadays. No cap. Y'all sad. So whoever all them 3 little bad ass motherfuckers, who they parents is, they should be locked the fuck up too. Shit. For real. Especially if they underage. No, y'all need to do some time too, because that's bullshit. For real. Damn, boy, that's sad. Y'all got these kids up here running around and shit, doing dumb shit. Y'all ain't like, you got the old fucking up shit. Forward. Pistol up, y'all. They were pistol up, bro. They robbing a car, y'all. Round the police car. One of them got shot. 17. Young. Like I said, the parents, they ain't no parents. They just some donors. They ain't parents. Let me rephrase that shit. These donors, y'all need to stop donating. You hear me? Stop donating because y'all ain't doing shit for y'all kids. Y'all ain't doing shit for them. Y'all need to do some time too. They need to turn this shit around. If your kid do it, your ass should get charged too. For you ain't paying attention to damn kids. Damn. Because y'all now, it's the kids. And it's the whole point. The parents ain't even raising their kids. That's the whole point of this shit. Kids steady doing dumb shit. Why ain't raising them? They ain't raising these kids, and always be these little peanut headed ass boys watching this poo shiesty or these motherfuckers who steady running these ski masks and shit. Think that shit popping. You gonna get your ass popped. Shit sad now. And then when I'm trying to make COVID, man, COVID make these motherfuckers gonna get fucked up. That's all that did. That shit made. Now they just wearing ski masks just for the fuck of it now, man. Pullovers. It's too hot for that shit. If y'all ain't gonna raise y'all kids, stop having them. Stop having them. For real, cause man, say the system is gonna take over y'all kids, and you can't do shit about it. So y'all need to do for y'all kids, cause right now, shit, okay, all these pullovers and this ski man shit, if they don't get fucked up, cause they gonna run up on the wrong motherfucker, or the police gonna knock their ass off, cause they sit up here running all this bullshit, and then they got guns and shit too. I'm like, come on now, y'all need to do